Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Ruud furnace in 2026. So in order to reset it, first of all, you need to switch off the power supply to the furnace. After doing so, simply remove the front panel very carefully. Now, when the panel is opened in front of you, it is kind of look something like this. So over here inside it, you just have to look for the reset button. It is usually located near the blower motor or burner assembly. It is often a small red button, but some Ruud models may not have a visible reset option. But if you are able to find it, you just have to do nothing but to just press that reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Afterwards, you just have to release it. Now, if in your case there is no reset button, you just have to leave the power off for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then after this time duration, you just have to turn it back on. This particular step is going to work as a full recycle. So now you just have to simply turn the power back on and set your thermostat to heat. Check if your furnace starts normally and warm the air begins to flow. Now, even after doing the reset, if it is not working, the issue can be relating to ignition, airflow, and sensors. So you can also check them. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.